Hey everybody, this is Lorelia coming to you with a very quick message. But it's a message that I think is very important, and it has to do with information. It's not going to get you to the bag. Now, the title of this video may say something different, but I'm here to talk about information is not going to get you to the business funding and business credit bag. What do I mean? Well, primarily, if you're new to this channel, I talk about leveraging credit to be able to invest in real estate, primarily business credit, helping real estate investors, professionals leverage 50K or more in business credit to invest in real estate. And so that's why I wanted to talk about information is not going to get you to funding. I had a conversation with a person yesterday. I wanted to do the video yesterday, but I didn't get a chance. So today I'm going to do it. I'm in the car. It was on my mind. I said, let me just get it out here. The person talked about all the information that they got. They've invested in this, they've gotten information. They've invested in that, they've gotten information. But they still don't know how to get to the funding. And that is what I see in the marketplace. You got a lot of people who are really rehearsing, rehashing, regurgitating the same information. And no one is really clearly getting people to the result that they want to get to, which is the credit and the cash, which is the bag. I've said this in many videos. I said it to the person I talked to. Many of the individuals who are sharing with you their success secrets or what have you, just because they have been able to do them, I'm not disputing that what the results they're showing for themselves are not true. I truly do believe they've gotten those results. But the thing is, the fine line is, can they help you get to those results? And that's why I always say that's where they fall short. I never see the results of the people they helped. So it is very easy to tell a person, hey, I got this credit card. This is the limit. Go to this website, and you too can get a credit line for X amount of dollars. And then what happens is that you try to do it because the person gave you so much information, and you're left with nothing. I always say information brings awareness. Many people are aware. Oh, wow, didn't know I can do that. Oh, that's a great idea. I never knew I can buy a house with business credit. I get it. My clients, I just did an email communication, showed one of the deals that my client is in escrow with right now. Purchased a home with business credit. No mortgage. What does that create for an individual? They become their own bank. You purchased a home with business credit, 0% interest for 18 months. You're paying no interest. You're going to get cash flow because it's a duplex. So now you're going to get cash flow, not a fix and flip, buy and hold. You have no 30-year mortgage. Now you can be very creative with what you want to do. You want to get a home equity line against it? Do you want to get a business line against it? At the end of the day, sky's the limit. Because the great thing about purchasing a home with credit, and once again, this is a very advanced topic. It is not a topic for the person who is in the infancy stages of understanding real estate and credit. I always say there's 100 ways to skin a cat. You got people who are big on FHA. You got people who are big and conventional. And I'm a very big advocate of leveraging alternative sources of financing, which can be business credit and business funding. As long as that asset is cash flowing, it is a win-win. Now, when you add the other layer to it, which is a line of credit, a business line of credit, that's where the goodness starts. Because remember, the bank only charges you, I'm not going to say really, only charges you, at least the ones that I know of, on the amount of credit that you use with the line of credit. So a person, I'm going to give you a real life case study. Client of mine purchased a house. Not going to give numbers, but let's just say person purchased it for $65,000. Needs a little updating. Has to put some money into it. By the time the property is fully in, I want to say in the full stage of being fully maximized to the appraised point, that property can be worth $95,000. Remind you, no 30-year mortgage, interest-free credit. Now you have an appraisal on that property. And of that appraisal, a bank can give you a line of credit on a portion of what it appraises for. So now, when you want to do a deal, you don't have to wait for a hard money lender. You don't have to worry about, can I secure the deal? You actually have funding at your fingertips. So I say this to say, these are just some of one of the many creative strategies that I teach my clients when it comes to funding. And this is not no how-to. This is the how-to plus let's go to the next step. Now, let me show you how to do it in real time so you can secure the funding. And that is the missing piece that many people who are on the internet searching for. They got a lot of information, but they have no one to really show them. So what happens is that now that they have all this information, they need somebody to help them unpack it. Oh, I have all this information. Can you help me unpack it? And that's what leaves them empty. So like I said, real quick video. I'm 8 minutes in. If you like what you heard, if you want to learn how you can leverage business credit to, do real estate deals, if you want to see my process, if you want to see the way I've helped clients, this is not no rehearsed information online. This is what I actually show my clients what to do so they can get approved for the lenders that I work with, as well as be underwriting ready to work with other lenders who are out there in the marketplace. This is much bigger than help you build business credit. Did a video on that. This is not no, I'm going to help you build business credit. I'm doing a workshop later this month, 5-hour workshop. If you want to learn more about it, go to neverloseadealevents.com. The link for the website, it will be underneath this video. www.neverloseadealevents.com. Secure your ticket. Get in the workshop. This is now the time. As I shoot this video, 60 more days until the new year. Don't go into 2022 still confused, trying to understand how this business credit funding game works when it's marriage to real estate. Like I said, a lot of people are confusing people, and that's why they get no results. So once again, this is Lorelia signing off. Hope to see you at the workshop. Bye-bye.